Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we were studying the chapter fraction, and we studied the addition of like fractions and the subtraction of like fractions. What is meant by like fraction? A fraction in which the denominators are same. Such fractions are called like fractions. Okay. Now today we are going to study some word problem or addition or fraction stories. We are going to study. Okay. So let us do one question. Listen. Reena read 5 by 8 of her book in the morning and 1 by 8 in the evening. What fraction of the book has she read? So read the question again and we have to write the steps. Reena read 5 by 8 of her book. That means she took a book to read and she read 5 by 8 part of the book. So how can we write the step? Fraction of book read in the morning. Fraction of book equal to how much? 5 by 8. Now and 1 by 8 in the evening. So how can we write this step? Fraction of book read in evening. Fraction of book read in evening, which is equal to 1 by 8. And the question is to find out what fraction of the book has she read. Morning and evening she read the book and we have to find out how much part of the book she read. So how can we write the step? Fraction of book read totally or total fraction of book read. Total fraction of book read. How can we find the total? We have to just add it. That means the part of book she read in the morning plus part of book she read in the evening. See here two fractions are there and their denominators are same. So we can give a common denominator. Now our operation is to add. So 5 plus 1 which is equal to 6 by 8. So totally she read 6 by 8 fraction of the book. Okay. Next question. Abhi distributed 2 by 9 of sweets to his neighbors a day before Diwali. He then distributed 4 by 9 of the sweets on Diwali day. What fraction did he distribute in one? First he distributed sweets a day before Diwali and after that he distributed sweets on the day of Diwali. So let us write the steps. Abhi distributed 2 by 9 of sweets to his neighbors a day before Diwali. So how can we write the first step? Fraction of sweets given a day before Diwali. Fraction of sweets given a day before Diwali. What fraction? 2 by 9. And the next part of the question is, he then distributed 4 by 9 of the sweets on Diwali day. Now how can we write this step? Fraction of sweets given on Diwali. Fraction of sweets given on Diwali equal to how much? 4 by 9. Now our question is to find out what fraction did he distributed in all. So we have to find the total fraction. Total fraction. How can we find the total fraction? We have to just sum up the fraction of sweets given a day before Diwali and fraction of sweets given on day of Diwali. That is 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. See here the denominators are same. That means they are like fractions. So a common denominator 9 and the numerator is 2 plus 4 which is equal to 6 by 9. Do you understood? Another question. Out of 10 by 11 apples, Meera helped her mother peel 4 by 11 of them. What fraction of apple is left for peeling? So read the question once more. Out of total there are 10 by 11 apples. How much fraction? 10 by 11. So how can we write the first step? Fraction of apple. Total fraction of apple equal to 10 by 11. Meera helped her mother peel 4 by 11 of them. So how much fractional part Meera helped? 4 by 11. So how we will write the step? Fraction of apple peeled. Fraction of apple peeled equal to 4 by 11. And the question is, what fraction of apple is left for peeling? See, total is given, a part of it is peeled, and we have to find the remaining. How can we find? We have to just subtract this from the total fraction. Okay, so how we will write the steps? Fraction of apple left. Fraction of apple left for peeling. We have to just subtract it. That is 10 by 11 minus 4 by 11. See, it is a like fraction because both the denominators are same. So common denominator 11 and numerator 10 minus 4, which is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6 by 11. Okay. Another question. Ginny gathered 6 by 10 of the chilies in her garden on Monday. She gathered 2 by 10 of the chilies on Tuesday. Totally, what fraction of chilies has she gathered? Okay, so how can we write the first step? Fraction of chilies gathered on Monday. Fraction of chilies gathered on Monday equal to what fraction? 6 by 10. Now second part of the question. She gathered 2 by 10 of the chilies on Tuesday. So fraction of chilies gathered on Tuesday. Fraction of chilies gathered on Tuesday equal to 2 by 10. And we have to find total what fraction of chilies has she gathered. We have to find the total fraction of chilies gathered. So how can we write the step? Total fraction of chilies gathered, which is equal to, in order to find the total fraction, what to do? We have to just add it. That is 6 by 10 plus 2 by 10. Here see, like fractions are common denominator and just add the numerator. 6 plus 2, 8 by 10. Okay.